Good morning, everyone. Josh over here at Dynasty. We got this 2022 Subaru Impreza in for front match and a sun strip. So we're going to do our pre-inspection. We're going to look at all the panels. Here at Dynasty, we like to make sure we inspect the whole car and get approval from the customer before doing any type of work, so they're aware of any previous damage that is on the vehicle. So I'm gonna open the doors, check the door panels, check and if there's any scratches on the window or the panels or anything. Take some pictures, send it to the customer, get their approval before touching or starting anything on the vehicle. So that's what I start first with when it comes to window tint. So back to the car. So my usually prep steps is I get my glass cleaner and I make sure if I'm just doing the front windows on this with a sun strip, but I usually like to make sure every single glass is clean just because I don't want any dirt or debris getting blown or tossed into the film while I'm transferring the tint over to the other side of the window. So I'm going to get my glass cleaner and prep all these glass and get my patterns ready and install the window tint on this Subaru for the customer. So we're going to be doing a 20% on the front to match the back, and then the customer wants a 5% strip at the AS1 line. So let's get that started and get this car out for the customer in an hour or so. So I'm just gonna grab my glass cleaner and I'm just gonna get these windows just cleaned up so there's no dust or any debris around the window, and make sure the glass is clean for when I get my pattern onto the glass and transfer it to the other side. So make sure these windows are cleaned up, and I'm using just a regular microfiber towel with my glass cleaner and just gonna clean up these windows up. So here at Dynasty, I like to hand cut my patterns, so that's what I did. Hand cut at the front door. Now I tacked it down right in the middle because I'm gonna be heating up the bottom edge, and I'm going to be getting these fingers out. So usually when you lay it down and lay it flat, you're gonna have these fingers. You don't want those when installing it, so what you do is grab a heat gun, heat it up, and squeegee it out. Yes, it may lay flat now because I'm squeegeeing it down, but you do want to shrink those a little bit just so when you're installing it, they don't come up. And when you go to squeegee, it can crease on you, and then you're gonna have to redo the window. So I'm gonna shrink these right now and then install the window film onto the driver door. So now that I shrunk the glass on the outside, I'm gonna be prepping the window so I can install it on the inside. And I'm gonna grab my soap solution and my scrub pad, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water. Just like that, we completed the Subaru front match with the sun strip. So here's a little walk around on how it came out. If you guys are looking for this type of service, just give us a call at 570-221-4240 and book your appointment today. We did a 20% front match with a 5% strip.